So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can enable PDF editor on Edge for annotating documents. So first of all, open the File Explorer on your Windows PC. Now here, look for a PDF file. Right click on it. Now here click on Open With and select Microsoft Edge. Now this will open the file in Edge browser. Now here you will see these options like highlight, draw, erase, text, etc. So let's say I want to draw on this file. So I will click on draw and now I can draw anything. For example, T, Y. Once done, click on the save button and this will save the file. So this is how I can annotate documents using PDF editor on Microsoft Edge. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.